teachers! My name is Jill and I am an online tutor. And for today's video, let us talk about how to make an effective introduction video. So, I know you are also asking, what is introduction video in an ESL world? Or, how can you make an effective introduction video? So first, let us define what is an introduction video. So an introduction video has a duration of 1 to 2 minutes only. So in that 1 to 2 minutes, what are the things that you should say or the things that you should not say? So in this video, you will learn how to make an effective script for your introduction video. So just to let you know, we have two types of introduction video. First one is an introduction video for you to invite your students. So these are mostly the introduction videos that will be shown to your tutor's profile or tutor's dashboard. So this is somewhat like a video wherein you are inviting your students or you are inviting the students to book a class with you. And the second type we have is an introduction video wherein you are applying as an ESL online teacher. Okay, so if you are interested, what should be the script or what should be the things that you should do and you should not do, then keep on watching until the end of the video for you to know. But before anything else, you know the drill. I would just like to invite you to please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button for you to be updated on my next uploads. Alright, so now, are you ready? Then let's start! So first, let's talk about the requirements. What are the requirements for you to prepare your introduction video? Okay, so I will state 8 requirements. So these are the basic requirements for before you make an introduction video. Okay, so first one is you should have a clear camera. Okay, when we say clear camera, it's either you are using a cell phone or a DSLR. Either way, as long as the camera is clear, as long as the camera is good, okay? Not blurry or not pixelated, okay? Number 2, you should have a plain background. Again, it's not necessary for you to have a white background, but just a plain background, okay? But then, there are some ESL companies that requires you a specific background. So please just follow that one, alright? The third requirement we should have is you should have a quiet environment. Okay, so when you record your introduction video, make sure that your surroundings or your environment is quiet. There are no barking of dogs, no chicken sound, or no vehicles passing by. Okay, that's very important because that's one of the factors that an ESL company requires you to have. And number 4 is you should have a good lighting, okay? So when you record your introduction video, make sure that you have a good lighting. It's not too dark, it's not also too light. So yung sakto lang talaga na lighting, okay? And the 5th requirement that you should have is to wear a business attire on the top. So, sa top lang. Okay? Hindi naman mare-record yung pababa, diba? So, yung top lang. So, you should wear a casual attire or professional attire or business attire. You should have a pleasing personality. So, kasali na dito yung fixing yourself, like, put a little makeup naman for girls. And for boys, make sure that you should fix your hair. Yung pleasing talaga yung personality mo. And make sure you are smiley. Okay? And the 7th requirement we have is you should practice your accent. So for example, an ESL company that you are trying to apply is requires an American accent. So you should practice American accent. But if hindi naman, then you can just have a neutral accent. Just remember na hindi dapat maririnig yung pagka-local accent natin or yung pagka-Filipino accent natin. Okay? And the last requirement that we have here, the 8th requirement, is that you should familiarize your script. Okay? So, for you to have an effective introduction video, you should have an effective script. So, nasa scripting yan. Okay? So, an effective script will make you have an effective introduction video. So, later on, I will show you what should be the content of your script. Alright, so now, ang unang gagawin natin na script is the introduction video when you are applying as an ESL teacher. Okay? So, I'm gonna be showing you the 8 details that should be in the content or on the script of your introduction video. Okay, so first one is you should state your full name. Okay? And number 2, you state your achievements. Yung academic achievements mo or your certifications. If you are a licensed teacher, if you have any certifications like the TESOL certificate, the TOEFL certificate. So if you have that kind of certifications, then please mention that one on your introduction. Okay? Number 3, you state your hobbies, your interests, and characteristics. Okay? So this is the best way for you to tell the ESL company that you are really friendly, ganong klaseng mga characteristics. You are flexible, open-minded, yung mga ganon. Okay? And also, yung hobbies and interest mo, i-relate mo din siya sa teaching. Wag kang magsalita or wag kang magsabi ng hobbies or interest na hindi naman related into teaching. Okay? Make sure related talaga siya. Just like for example, traveling. So in traveling, you are able to explore different kind of cultures, different kind of behaviors, different personalities, right? So it is related to teaching. Kasi in teaching, you are able to gain friends to your student. You are able to learn different cultures, different behaviors and personalities, diba? So, parang parallel siya sa teaching. So, ganong klaseng hobbies or interest. Okay? And number 4, you state the reason why you like to apply as an online teacher. Bakit nga ba gusto mong maging online teacher? Okay? And number 5 is why you chose that specific company. So, mag-research ka regarding sa company nila. Saan sila nag-start, anong year, or ano ba yung mga students na kinikater nila. So, ganon. You also need to know the background of the company that you are applying for. Kasi dapat, andun din yung reason kung bakit yung company nila yung napili mo para applyan. Okay, so you can say the company is very friendly, stable, friendly management, stable company, and one of the top leading ESL companies. Charot, okay? So, yun lang. Flowery words at the same time realistic, okay? Number 6 is you should state as an ending spiel. Ito na yung closing spiel mo ha, itong pang-anim. So, on your sixth spiel, you should state that you are looking forward to speak with them or to talk with them. Okay? Parang yun talagang nag-a-apply ka na I'm looking forward to hear from you soon, I'm looking forward to speak with you. So yung mga ganong klaseng ending the spiel. Okay? So now, dito naman tayo sa scripting pagdating sa pag-invite ng student. So, ito yung introduction video kung saan nag-i-invite ka ng student mo para mag-book sila sa'yo. Okay? So, meron siyang similarities doon sa first introduction video natin. Pero, meron man tayong ibahin ng konti. Okay? So, ito, 6 script or 6 details pa rin ito. 6 points pa rin ito. So, first one is, again, you state your name. So, kanina, you state your full name. But now, you state your nickname. Or yung parang i-shorten mo yung pangalan mo. In this way, madali ka lang ma-recall or ma-remember ng students mo. So, for example, ako, my real name is really Gila. But, yung nickname ko is Jill. So, sasabihin mo during sa introduction video mo na you are teacher Jill. So, in that way, madali ka lang ma-recall ng student mo. Okay? Number 2, ganun pa rin. You state your achievements, you state your certifications if you have, kung anong degree ka, graduate, what is your course, ganun. Okay? Number 3, the same pa rin. You state your hobbies, your interests, characteristics, ganon. Same pa rin dun sa unang introduction video natin. Okay? Number 4, eto, meron na siyang kaibahan. So, dito sa pag-invite mo ng student, ang ika-4th point dito is, you state why you love teaching. Bakit ba gusto mong magturo? So, parang you're like selling yourself. Okay, so this is very important na sasabihin mo kung bakit mo kailangan, kung bakit mo gustong magturo para makita ng mga students if you are really serious and if you are really sincere sa pagtuturo ng mga estudyante. So, you should have a very good spiel on this one. Number 5, okay, ito. Why they need to book with you. So, magbigay ka ng reason kung bakit sila dapat mag-book sa'yo. Okay? So, later, gagawa tayo ng script regarding dito, okay? But if you have anything on your mind right now, pwede mo yan i-take note. And let's see if it's effective, okay? And the last one is, you should invite your student to book with you. Okay, so now let's start. So let's have the first introduction video. The introduction video wherein you are applying as an online tutor. Okay, so again, prepare pen and paper para ma-take note nyo. Let's start. Ready? Let's start.
Hello, I'm Gila Iskoltu, but you can call me Jill. I'm a graduate in Bachelor of Science in Psychology. I passed the test of English as a foreign language, and now I'm working as an online tutor. So during my free time, I like to watch English movies, and I love traveling. I'm flexible, outgoing, friendly, and easy to deal with. I decided to apply as an online tutor because teaching is my passion. I like to impart my knowledge and share my learnings to my students. And I choose your company because I've read some positive reviews and it's a highly recommended ESL company. I'm hoping that you'll consider my application and I'll do my best to contribute to the success of your company. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye!
And now, eto naman yung second introduction video natin kung saan mag-i-invite ka ng student. Okay? So again, prepare pen and paper and take down the details. Ready? Start!
Hello, my name is Jill. I'm a graduate in Bachelor of Science in Psychology. I passed the test of English as a foreign language, and now I'm working as an online tutor. During my free time, I like to watch English movies, and I love traveling. I'm flexible, outgoing, friendly, and easy to deal with. I really love teaching because teaching is my passion. I like to impart my knowledge and share my learnings to my students. I would make sure that every classes would be full of fun and learning at the same time. I hope to see you in one of my class. Thank you and goodbye. Have a great day.
Alright, thank you so much teachers for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something and salamat talaga sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa akin. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for you to be updated on my next videos. Again, thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye!